Have a plastic repair, but not sure what kind of plastic? DAP RapidFuse All-Purpose Adhesive plus Plastic Primer. It bonds all materials. Bonds all plastics. Simply prime plastic surfaces. Wait 1 minute. Apply RapidFuse and hold. It sets in just 30 seconds and forms a strong, impact-resistant bond that is 10 times tougher than the competition. Good for interior or exterior repairs. RapidFuse All-Purpose Plus Plastic Primer bonds all plastics, bonds all materials, bonds everything. So you can fuse what you want to fuse with DAP RapidFuse.